In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to properly train your bot on an entire website. This is important because many users think that entering their homepage as a single link trains their whole site, but it does not. To train the full website, you must use the full site option. Let's walk through the correct process. First, open your bot and click the Training tab at the top. Then select Internet Links on the left menu. At the top, you'll see two options, Single Link and Full Site. The Single Link option only trains the bot on one page, the specific URL you enter. It does not explore or index the rest of your website. So if you only enter your homepage here, the bot will only learn that one page. To train your entire website, click the Full Site button. Now enter your root domain, for example, techquility.net, or any domain you need to train. There's no need to type HTTPS or www, just the domain is enough. Click Submit URL, and the system will begin scanning your site. You'll see a scanning site message. Depending on the size of the website, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. Once the scan completes, you'll see a list of all the pages the system found. Click Select All if you want the entire site included, or choose specific pages manually. Then click Submit Links to begin processing. You'll see a confirmation message that processing has started. Your group of links will now appear in your list with a status indicator. If you see Processing, the system is still working. A URL processing results window will open to show you the results of each URL. After all the links show up in the indexed URL list, your bot is now trained on your entire website. This includes your services, pricing, about page, FAQs, policies, and any other pages you selected. Now you can open the Chat tab and test the bot with questions about your website content. And that's it. Remember, entering a single URL only trains one page. To train your entire website, always use the full site option and select all the links you want the bot to learn from. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime at support@thebotforge.ai.